Hello, girls.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who want to read this question number 4?
I did not this.
Yes, Modesa.
As a cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings: 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0 and 100. Find the mean score.
મીન ફાઇન્ડ કરવા માટે શું કરવાનું? Mean means average sum of all the observation upon total number of observation, right? So, run scored by the cricketer 58, 76, 40, 35, 46,
Sir, your
45, 0 and
voice is
100.
breaking.
All of you are not getting my voice.
No, sir, it's clear.
So mean score is equal to total runs scored in all innings. That means the sum of all the observation આવી ગયું. સરે ફોર્મ્યુલા લખાવી હતી યાદ છે? Sum of all the observation. That means આપણે હવે
Yes.
સબ્જેક્ટ કયો છે? રન સ્કોર્ડ નો, રાઈટ? માર્ક્સ નો એટલે ટોટલ માર્ક્સ ટુ બી સ્કોર્ડ, એવું એવી રીતનું લખવાનું. અહીંયા શું છે? ટોટલ રન સ્કોર્ડ ઇન ઓલ ઇનિંગ્સ upon total number of innings. Total number of innings, how many innings he played? 3, 3, 6, and 2, 8. 8 innings, right? So mean, adding all the numbers upon 8 innings. So total is 400 upon 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 50s are 400. So mean is what? 50. Therefore, mean score is 50. Any doubt with this, son?
No.
No.
For sure?
Yes.
Okay, great. Chalo, question number 5. Following table shows the point of each player scored in 4 innings: 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 games. We have to check player A. Game 1 માં 14, player 2 16, player 3 10, game 1 14, game 2 16, game 3 10, and game 4 10. So this was the scores about player A. Is that clear? In all 4 games. Then player B, in all 4 games: 0, 8, 6, and 4. These are the 4 scores for player B. And player C, 8, 11. Third game he didn't play. Okay? So fourth game it was 13. So total how many number of games player C played? Girls, total how many numbers player C has played? Player A played 4 games, all 4 games. Player B also played all 4 games. Player C played only
3.
3 games. Now we have to follow the questions. Find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. So A ની average કાઢવાની છે. So mean score of average, that means 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 upon 4. So 50 upon 4, you will get 12.5 as a mean of A. Any doubt here?
No.
Question number 2. To find the mean number of point per game for C. So હવે C નું mean find કરવાનું છે. Would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? કેના સાથે divide કરશો આપણે? Player C નું mean find કરવું હોય, then how to follow? Anybody has any idea? Come on, girls, it is very easy. Sum of all the observation upon number of observations. So number of observation are what?
3.
Because one game he skipped. He has not played one game. So why to count that game? If he has not played, then why to count that game? So mean of point C, we will divide total points by 3 because C played only 3 games. Player C played only 3 games, right? So therefore, in this they have not find the mean. We have to find the mean. Huh? Let me clear you. So C no total શું હતો 8 અહીંયા કરી નાખું છું 8 plus 11 plus and the last one was 13, okay, upon 3. Am I correct, girls?
Yes.
So 13 plus 11 is 24 plus 8, 32 divided by 3. Whatever answer we will get in point, that will be the average of player C. Okay? Now, third
Okay.
question. B played in all 4 games. B to રમેલો છે, yes. B played in all 4 games. How would you find the mean, Leo? તો 4 games સાથે હોય તો 4 સાથે ડિવાઈડ થાય ને બેટા. Mean of B score is 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. B નો સ્કોર શું છે અહીંયા જો? 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. Got it? Divide by 4. So 18 divided by 4, again in decimal we have to get. Okay? So 4.5 will be the answer. Now, this also will be decimal near about 3 8s 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. So it will be 10 point something. Are you getting? 10 point something આવશે
Yes.
આનું decimal. બરાબર? આનું છે 4.5. આનું છે 12.5. So we got all 3 in decimals. I mean average, mean. Now what is the fourth question? Who is the best performer? So this cannot be taken into grant. Only these 3 average will be compared. Which one is greater? This one, or 12.5? 12.5 is greater than all 3. So but obvious, he played more number of innings, that is 4 innings, and his average is more better than any other 2 players, right? So we can say the best performers will have the greatest average among all. So greatest average among all is for whom? 12.5. Any doubt, girls?
No.
Now we
No,
can
sir.
observe that the average of A 12.5, which is more than B and C. Therefore, A is considered as the best performance among these 3. Okay? Is that all clear?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Now, next question. Question number 6. The whole exercise is related to this. Chalo. Now marks are given. Rabia, read this question number 6.
Yes, sir. Question number 6. The marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in science tests are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81, and 75.
So out of 100 marks is given. The marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students. We don't know the number of students. So જેટલાના marks આપેલા છે એટલા number of students હશે બેટા? of
Yes.
science test. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 students they have given. Okay. So what is our first job? Our first job is to arrange that in ascending order. Never do any sum without arranging that in ascending order. Make sure of it. Otherwise, it will create a mistake. See, arrange that in ascending order like this. When we start our answer, first step, we have to arrange that in ascending order. So 39 is the smallest number and the greatest number is 95. Can you see? After arranging that in an ascending order, all 10 students' marks, now we can solve the questions whatever they have asked. Highest and the lowest marks obtained by a student. So highest mark obtained by a student is 95 and the lowest mark obtained by a student is 39. Any doubt with the first answer?
No.
No.
Range of marks obtained. So range is what? Highest mark minus lowest marks. So highest is 95 and lowest is 39. So you will get 15 minus 9 is 6 and 8 minus 3 is 5. 56 is the range of the given data. Any doubt here?
No.
સમજાય છે? Mean marks
Yeah.
obtained by the group. Mean marks obtained means we have to add all these marks given upon 10. So total number of students are how many? How many observations can we observe here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let us check the answer. First answer is correct. Highest mark and lowest mark. Range be correct. 95 minus 39 is 56. Now, mean marks, answer number 3. Mean marks is equal to adding all the marks together upon 10. So total is 730 upon 10. So average is what? This 0 got cancelled. Or if you divide 730 divided by 10, then to the answer is 73 only. Any doubt here?
No.
No.
Easy લાગે છે કે tough લાગે છે બેટા?
સાવ easy લાગે છે.
સાવ easy
Easy.
છે. We have to relate only. All the sums are relate. Chalo, question number 7. Again, the same process. Finding the mean. Range, mean, telemarks વાળા એક બે sums થઈ ગયા. Range, mean, median mode. Range, mean, median mode. આના સિવાય બીજું કાંઈ નથી આ ચેપ્ટરમાં. Then we are going to come back with further exercise of bar graph and probability. One exercise each. That's it. Our chapter will be over. Nothing new in this. અને તમને એક્સપ્લેન જ્યારે કર્યું ત્યારે જ એમાં આખું કવર થઈ ગયું છે. ઇટ્સ કવર એવરીથિંગ. Even bar graph, you will be able to do it by your own. That's for sure. Just wait and let us see. You will be saying from your end itself that we know this, how to do it. Chalo, question number 7. Read this.
Question number 7. The enrollment in a school during six consecutive years was as
Was
follows:
as follow. Very good.
1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2540, 2820.
Okay, so find the mean enrollment. We have to again find the mean, right? So we have to add all this enrollment together. And how many number of observations can we see here? 6. So after adding all this, we have to divide with 6. Now we have to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Is it divisible by 6 or not? How can we find if the number is divided by 2 and if a number is divided by 3, that means it is going to divide by 6 definitely, right? So 2 માટે શું divisibility test check કરીએ કે last digit should be even. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 હોય તો 2 સાથે જાય. Are you getting? Now 3 સાથે sum of all the digits. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18 is divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. Yes, 18 is divided by 3. That means if a number is divided by 2 as well as 3, the whole number will be divided by 6. Any doubt with this? So, the division of 12,348 divided by 6 is 2,058. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So 2 અહીંયા આવશે 6 ના ટેબલમાં 3 ના આવે તો 3 ની જગ્યા શું મૂકશું 0. So 34 સાથે લેશું 6 5s are 30. 34 minus 30 will be 4 will be left. So it will be covering 48. 6 8s are 48. Any doubt here, girls?
No, sir.
2058 is the average of enrollment of the school. Chalo. Question number 8. The rainfall in millimeter. Rainfall in millimeter in the city of 7 days, on 7 days of certain week was recorded as follow. Okay? Now days and rainfall in millimeter it is given. Barabar, girls, can you see the table?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will do one thing. I'll join this table with the above one because એ લોકોને printing error છે અહીંયા gap ના આવે. It is continue over here, huh? Okay, girls? Chalo. So can you see days and the millimeter temperature is given? Sorry, rainfall is given, not the temperature. Monday 0.0, that means no rainfall. Tuesday 12.2 millimeter. Wednesday 2.1 millimeter. Thursday again no rainfall. 0.0 means. Friday 20.5 millimeter. Then Saturday 5.5 and Sunday 1. Any doubt now?
No.
Have we tallied the data what is given in the table? હવે ટેબલમાં આપ્યો એટલે એવું નથી કે ગ્રાફ પેપરમાં જ ઉતારવાનું કે ટેલી માર્ક્સ જ કરવાનું. નો, ઇફ દે આસ્ક અ ટેબ્યુલર ફોર્મ ધેન ટેલી માર્ક્સ, બટ ડેસિમલ વાળું તો ટેબ્યુલર ફોર્મ આવે નહીં, રાઈટ? બાર ગ્રાફ, સો બાર ગ્રાફ એ ડેસિમલ વાળા બાર ગ્રાફ તો અત્યારે આ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં તો આવે નહીં. સર હેઝ નોટ taught us, right? And it is not described also, so we do not have to follow anything. ઘણી વખત કન્ફ્યુઝ થાવ કે ઇન્ડેક્સ બોક્સ આપેલું છે તો there must be something to be prepared. No, we do not have to prepare anything. Let us check the questions what they have asked. What are the questions here? First question, Rabia, read the question.
Yes, sir. Number 1, find the range of the rainfall in the above data.
Range we have to find. So this all data will be proceed in ascending order. So સૌથી નાનું કયું છે? 0.0. This one, right? Which is not there. Again 0.0. Comma કરીને 0.0. હું vertically લખું છું. It has to be horizontally. Ascending order. Then 1.0. Yes, 1.0. Then 2.0. 2.1, sorry. 1.0, then 2.1, then 5.5. Any doubt here, girls?
No, sir.
Then 12.2. Then 12.2. Barabar na? Never forget to arrange the data in ascending order before you proceed with anything, okay? Then last what we have is 20.5. So we have to find the range. So મોટામાં મોટો નંબર કયો છે?
20.5.
And નાનામાં નાનો નંબર?
0.0.
So if we
0.0.
subtract 24.5 minus 0.0, what will be the range? કોઈ સ્માર્ટ નથી એટલું, બોલો. Anything minus 0 will be what?
20.5.
Sorry?
20.5.
The number itself, yes. So the range will be what? The range is equal to 20.5 minus 0.0 mm. That means 24.5 itself is the range of the given data. My God. 0 minus કરવામાં આટલો time લગાડ્યો. Chalo, now question number 2, Rabia.
Yes, sir. Number 2, find the mean rainfall of the week.
We have to find the mean rainfall of the week. That means all 7 days together to be added, and number of observation will be 7 because there are 7 days in a week, right? So mean rainfall is equal to adding all the data together upon 7. So 14.3 upon 7. Sorry, 41.3 upon 7. Any doubt? Which gives us 5.9 millimeter. Any doubt here, boys? Sorry, girls?
No, sir.
In
No.
the same case, question number 3. Read it.
Yes, sir. On how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall?
Mean rainfall you got as 5.9. 5.9 કરતા કેટલા બીજા દિવસ છે જેમાં ઓછો રેનફોલ છે? That is what the question is. So again, coming back to the data, can I see here 1.0 is less than 5.9? 5.5 is less than 5.9. 20 is greater. 0.0 is less than 5.9. 2.1 is less than 5.9. Then 12.2 is greater. 0.0 is less than 9. So how many days we got? Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. We got less rainfall as compared to mean rainfall. Yes or no? Mean rainfall, what we got here in question number 2? What is the mean we got? Look here. Mean rainfall we got as 5.9. So 5.9 કરતા કેટલા દિવસ એવા ઓછા છે? On how many days was the rainfall was less than the mean rainfall? So can I see here 5.9 કરતા 0.0 નાનું છે?
Yes.
2.1 પણ નાનું છે. 0.0
Yes.
again is less. 5.5 is less. 1.0 is less. 20.5 is greater. Are you getting? 12.2 is
Yes.
greater as compared to mean rainfall. So that 2 days was not according to our answer, but from Monday to Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday are the days where where the rainfall was less as compared to the mean rainfall. So total how many days we got it? For 5 days. What is the last answer written here? For 5 days, that is Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, the rainfall was less than the average rainfall. Any doubt, girls?
No.
No, sir.
For sure?
Yes.
Great, chalo. Last question of this exercise, I believe. Chalo, again the same content, same sums. The height of 10 girls. How many girls, Rabia? Modesa?
10.
10 girls. The heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeter, and the results are as follows. So the data is given here: 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143, 141. So this data has to arrange that in ascending order. Never forget to arrange in ascending order. See here in answer itself it is given. Don't forget to arrange that in ascending order. Okay? So this is the order what we have arranged. The smallest number is 128 centimeter and the highest number is 151 centimeter. Any doubt here, girls?
No.
Now,
No.
we have to follow these questions. We have to follow these questions. What is the highest of, sorry, what is the height of the tallest girl? I'm so sorry. What is the height of tallest girl? Come on, girls. You don't know?
151 centimeter.
This is the data. What is the height of the tallest girl? Tallest એટલે લાંબામાં લાંબી દીકરી.
151.
Yes. What is the height of the shortest girl?
128.
128.
પેલા આન્સર કેમ નો આવ્યો યાર? હું તો ચોંકી જાઉં છું અમુક વખતે તમે લોકો આન્સર નથી દેતા તો. What is the range of the given data? So 151 minus 128. Any doubt? પેલા લખવાનું highest minus lowest. Okay, girls. So this will be
Okay.
converted to 11. So 11 એટલે 3 થશે અહીંયા. Unit place માં this will be cut as 4. 4 minus 2 is 2.
23.
So 23 is the range of the given data. Okay? The answer is 23. What is the mean height of the girls? Mean height means we
Sum
have
of
to now.
all
Yes, sum
sum
of
of all the observation upon number of observation.
But in this, what we have to write the sum of all the heights of the. No, the sum of all 10 sum of the height of all 10 girls upon number of girls. That means 10. Understood? The subject or relate lakhwanu. Is that clear? So, in this case, mean height 135 plus 150 plus 139 plus 128, and it goes on upon 10. So 14 upon 10. All right? Okay, girls?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Hello, are you all getting my voice? Girls?
now we are getting.
All right, so you got the mean data, how to find. So 141.4 centimeter. Is that clear? You got the screen at that time when I was teaching you?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, now the last question. How many girls have height more than the mean height? Mean height કરતા વધારે height કોની છે? So 141.4 is the mean height what we got. Yes? હા
Yes.
કે ના? So 141 કરતા mean height આ બધાની વધારે છે?
Yes. Sir, તમારો voice નથી આવતો.
Let us check the answer. The height of 5 girls are greater than the mean height. Is that clear, girls? That is 14.4 centimeter, and their heights are 143, 146, 149, 150, and 151 centimeter. This is what written from here. Is that all clear about this question?
Yeah.
Yes.
Any doubt, girls? Any doubt? Anybody has any doubt with this question?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Aina, Afreen, Alicia, Aisha, Bojani Fiza, Kadri Rabia, Khadija,
Yes, sir.
then Meghani Amreen Fatima, Rajani Mohdesa Rajani,
Yes, sir.
then Zainab, Sadiq Rathod, I don't know her name, Ilma Rathod, I think so. Samim Lada, Sani Fatima, Rasbaria, so Insia Fatima, I think so. Then Zainab Asar. Are you all getting the content what I taught you in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
all got this exercise 3.1 thoroughly in your mind? What we did and how we did and what to be solved?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
with the help of this sum, we have completed our exercise 3.1 in the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Your homework is to complete this exercise thoroughly in your fair book, as we are doing regularly, and regular homework one time all the sums in your rough book. Is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
We are
Yes,
going
sir.
to continue our next exercise, exercise 3.2, in our next session. Okay?
Okay,
Up till
sir.
then, do take care of yourself.